Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today niko naenda kuangazia hizo agencies that can help you to go abroad in case you want to go to look for the green pastures. Juu hapa Kenya nayo kwa nasi Kenya ni kuteseka. But kama maybe unataka kuenda easy way, unataka kwenda majuu. So I got a list of 6 agencies hapa Kenya zinaweza kusaidia kufika majuu. Chap chap. So on the list, my number 1 inakuanga Kenyan nurse consultant. Inakusaidia kufanya hiyo NCLEX, inakusaidia like really they stand with you, wanakuguide until mpaka huko hivyo. Hata ukienda majuu naona they have their own agents huko hivyo. Sasa hadi ukifika huko wanakupatia accommodation and everything. So guys, kama una plan kwenda majuu, you can consider going the Kenyan nurse consultant. It's the best actually, I think. So and then we have the Avant Health. Avant Health though sijui sana, but basically pia najua ni poa. It's a good agency that you can use to fly abroad. In case maybe unataka kwenda Australia, Logansport, Switzerland, Ireland, you can consider going the Avant Health Nurse Care. I don't know the protocol, but pia ni watakusaidia ufanye IELTS, hizo ma NCLEX, so long as ushapita your NCLEX, I think now they help you with the procedure with the guide, so it becomes easy for you. And the other one, guys, the other one yenye unaweza consider pia, the other agencies very best in Kenya is the Interstaff. Interstaff basically is a nurse staffing agency here in Nairobi, and they really help connect nurses abroad. So actually, if you want to go abroad, you are a nurse, you can consider linking up with the Interstaff agency. The Interstaff agency actually watakusaidia sana kufika majuu. So basically, I think you should consider the Interstaff. Interstaff is the best. So on the list, I've gone with the Avant Health, I've gone with the Interstaff, and I've gone with the Kenyan Nurse Consultant. Then number 4 on the list is the New Health Agency. So the New Health Agency Limited is also best here in Nairobi, guys. So if kauta kwenda majuu tena guys, so you can consider even using the New Health Agency because itakusaidia ufike huko majuu. So I don't know the procedure, the protocol, but najua one thing I know about it is that itakusaidia uende huko hivyo penye umeenda juu. I had my friend, I think she was going to Australia, and she used the same agency, and she was very lucky. She got to be linked up with a job in Australia, and sahi yako green pastures. Wakati wenye sisi tuko Kenya tunaumia, yako wapi? Ako green pastures Australia. And then kuna hii diaspora, kuna inajitanga Diaspora Placement Agency, PDA. So actually hii ni government ya Kenya, so inakuanga ni kama ka agency ka government ya Kenya. So this agency inasaidia kutafuta kazi, kusaidia kazi abroad. Basically it's not for only nurses, like the other watu wengine, tuseme most of the kazi za Kenya. So it really helps you kupata hiyo kazi ama kusaidia connect kuenda huko majuu. So guys, my list it has been Kenya consultant, nurse, I've gone with the Avant Healthcare, I've gone with the Interstaff, I've gone with the Diaspora Placement Agency and the New Health Agency. Guys, consider those agencies. Kama utakwenda majuu, sasa ni hapa hivi guys. Hizo ma agencies ndio zitakusaidia ufike majuu sasa. Na pia si wenye tuko hapa Kenya. And I know there are other agencies, maybe kuna yenye sijaongelea. In case you come across this video na unajua any other agency yenye imesaidia mtu kwenda majuu, you can comment down there guys. You can comment down there so that isaidie mtu mwingine can research on it, na maybe hawezi jua, maybe ndio ilikuwa chance yake ya kwenda na hiyo wapi Luxembourg. So guys, so next time tunaenda kuangalia places fit zenye unaweza consider kwenda kufanya kazi majuu kama nurse. Kuna places zenye unajua maybe huku nikienda niko na aim at the salary, maybe nataka mshahara kubwa. So there are specific countries that zenye ukienda unajua salaries ziko high. Then kuna maybe you just want a place to go and stay and work. Pia kuna hizo places zenye ziko suggested, maybe you can go there work and have a family there and ukakaa huko hivyo ukajituliza. Then kuna zenye maybe you can consider, kuna kama kina Ireland, you can consider going there perhaps. You can consider going there because they are the best. Actually kama unataka kwenda majuu, nothing should stop you. Naona hata watu siku hizi hata Dubai, watu wengi wanaenda Dubai kabisa, especially for the female nurses. lucky a day. Naona in United Emirates na wachukua wengi sana, wengi wanaenda huko hivyo. So for the ladies, really you are lucky because most of you guys in the Middle East. So guys, in case you have that agency that you know it's better, guys, drop it in the comment section below. And another thing, guys, is that subscribe on this channel, like this video, and so that you get updated. In case I post any other video, guys, then you already hooked in here for the next video. So till next time, guys, I've been your host, Ken.